Look at this image. And now look at this one. I completely removed that fake AI look from Flux Klein using one secret tool. So here I'm going to show you the ultimate fix. Welcome back everyone. I'm thrilled to share this with you because the community has just dropped a massive upgrade for our workflows. Here we are talking about Flux to Klein 9B Enhanced Details LoRA. Now, the base Flux to Klein 9B model is an absolute beast for speed and quality. But it has one major problem. When you ask it to make something realistic, it tends to aggressively push the image toward bright, lightning and generic standard skin tones. It washes out the soul of your original art. This new LoRA fixes all of that problem. It's much more conservative. It acts like a high-end detail enhancer, giving you photographic realism while beautifully preserving your original image style, lighting, and color palette. So let's jump right into the ComfyUI so I can show you exactly how to use it. For this, you have to load my old workflow, Flux Klein. I also updated this workflow so you get a better result. Now, what you have to do is download the LoRA, which you have to save in your ComfyUI's LoRa's model folder. In the LoRA group, you have to select that LoRA, and for this, try 16 steps. Inside this workflow, there are two options, text to image and image edit to image. So first, we'll show an example of text to image, then switch to image edit. Alright, so now we are inside ComfyUI, and to make this LoRA work, you must follow a very specific prompting rule. Here, the trigger word is realistic, and you need to structure your prompt like this. Turn XYZ image into a realistic photograph. So first, let's bypass the LoRA to see the exact problem. Then I write this text in the prompt. A sleek charcoal grey sports car with rain droplets on the hood, parked under an orange neon sign at night. And that's it. Just hit run. And as a result, you can see it successfully generated the car, but without the LoRA, it looks like a cheap video game. Overall, the result looks like plastic. Now, I enable the LoRA node. Then I write this text in the prompt using our trigger rule. Turn a sleek charcoal grey sports car with rain droplets on the hood, parked under an orange neon sign at night into a realistic photograph. And hit run. As you can see, it successfully did this. The plastic look is completely gone. Real metallic reflections, natural water pooling. It's all showing here. So let's push this further with human anatomy. Let's do another run without the LoRA first. Then I write this text in the prompt. A cinematic outdoor portrait of a couple standing close by the sea on an overcast day. The man stands in profile, tall and solid, wearing a dark padded jacket and a minimal cap. The woman leans into him, pressing her face gently against his neck. Her long hair is loose and slightly tousled by the wind. And hit run. And as you can see, without the LoRA, her skin is flawless, waxy, and entirely fake like a plastic mannequin. Now I want to change this specific part and add genuine human skin texture. I turn the LoRA back on. Then I write this text in the prompt. Turn a cinematic outdoor portrait of a couple standing close by the sea on an overcast day into a realistic photograph. And I keep the rest of the prompt exactly the same. and just press enter. And as a result, you can see it did a great job. Look at the micro contrast. She has real skin pores, natural wind blown hair, and the jacket looks like actual heavy fabric catching the overcast light. Now, switch to image edit. Did you know you can actually monetize AI content you generate with ComfyUI? But right now, we have a big problem. Where do you actually post it? If you try to put this on the big platforms, you are always scared. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and boom, it's banned. Your account is gone, your money is frozen, and because you are an AI creator, they don't even let you appeal. That is why I moved to DFans. It's the decentralized creators platform with AI powered insights. And here is the most important part. DFans is 100% AI friendly and it will never ban your account for using AI. We all know the risk. On the other platforms, a single ban can freeze your assets and cause you to lose customers. This will never happen on DFans. If you have been banned elsewhere, DFans never bans accounts and actually welcomes creators who can't work on other platforms. It's the only place where your business is truly safe. Now, let me show you how you actually make money on this. First, go to the DFans website and sign up. Once you log in, go to your page and click the Edit Profile button. Here, you write your influencer's name. For example, mine is Enya Rose. For the headline, write something catchy that grabs the viewer's attention immediately. Next, go to the left menu and click Become a Creator. Then hit Apply. A form will open. Just fill in what you plan on creating and save it. Now you are officially ready to post. But here is the smartest tactic. On the left side, click the AI strategy button and enable Start AI Chat. With DFans AI chatbot, it's like having a real chatter who works for you 24/7. You can focus entirely on what you do best, like creating content and attracting traffic from Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform. Once people land on your DFans page, the AI chatbot takes care of everything else. It handles chatting, engaging, and smartly qualifying high value fans so your team can focus only on the biggest spenders. So you might be thinking, does it actually work? So look at this. One creator joined in the evening and earned over $6,000 overnight, thanks to the AI chatting with a whale. You literally wake up, check your dashboard, and see that the bot made sales while you. After you enable it, first you have to load this image. I am loading a portrait of a woman with terrible flat lighting and distorted yellow colors. Now I want to fix the exposure and color without the AI hallucinating a completely different face or washing out the original tone. So because we are using the LoRA, we combine our trigger phrase with a professional file level photography prompt. And here I write this text in the prompt: turn image into a realistic photograph, clean digital file, remove blur and noise, histogram equalization, unsharp mask, color grade, white balance correction, micro contrast, lens distortion correction, and hit run. The color distortion is completely neutralized by the white balance correction. The histogram equalization fixed the flat lighting and her skin now has real pores. No one could tell this is AI. Moving on, you have to load this image. As you can see, this is an AI generated image. So for that, I write this text in the prompt: turn a scene into a realistic photograph and hit run. You can see it successfully did this. Look at the incredible details it added. It took a slightly flat AI generation and upgraded the physical reality. We now have real stucco grid on the walls, individual photorealistic pine needles, and genuine water ripples in the sea. It completely stripped away the AI feel and turned it into an editorial travel photo. Let's do one final extreme example. So, first, you have to load this image. It's an iconic Rockstar Games GTA style. I want to completely dissolve those thick 2D ink outlines into natural shadows and real human skin. Then I write this text in the prompt, turn a scene into a realistic photograph, and hit run. You can see it has done this. The cell shading is completely gone. It turned a 2D drawing into a live action movie still, preserving the badass composition but upgrading the physical reality. By combining this enhanced detail LoRa with my updated workflow, you completely eliminate the plastic AI look and gain total control over your generations. So that's it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning. Bye bye.